Hi everybody. Today I'm going to cover current region and used range. So current region and used range is very powerful things in VBA. So current region means a group of data. Used range means a complete range of data from the seats. Means whenever you write anywhere in seat, that data is captured through the used range. But in current region, we cover a group of data. You can see the definitions of the current region. Current region is used to cover all those data which is in same group. Suppose here we have three data. You can see here three sets of data. Here you can see this is my first set. You have to put your pointer and check what is the first set. Whatever data is selected, this is a first set of data. From this blank range, this data is in second group. You can see here this is second group second group of data. This is a third group of data. Okay, and another group is AA. So here I'm going to take fourth group of data. So I want to make a copy of any one group of data. So at that time I need to use current region. How we can utilize the current region to make a copy of data? So let's just start writing the code. So here I'm going to write the macro to use current region. So sub uh, macro name is current region example. Okay, now I'm going to make a copy of this data, sheet 9 data of group 2. This is a group 2 data. So I want to make a copy of this data into sheet 5. So first I'm going to delete all this data which is already available in sheet 5. I have deleted the data. Now I will make a data of group 2 and paste into sheet 5. How it would be possible? Let's see. First I'm going to take sheets reference. So, I'm taking here sheet 9, sheet 9. Okay, dot range, and I want to make a copy of this group of data. So I will have to take reference of any one cell from this group. So I'm taking reference of H2. So I'm taking here H2 inverted comma H2, then dot current region dot copy. I want to make a copy of this data in different sheet, means sheet 5. So I will have to take here sheet sheet 5. Okay, dot in which cell reference you want to put the data. So I want to put the data in cell reference C5. So I'm writing here, I'm taking reference of sheet 5. You can see here I'm taking reference C5. So this is the destination part. Okay, so here you can see I have already written the code. You can see now I'm going to run this macro to make a copy of second group of data. So let's see, running this code. Now you can check data in sheet 5 C5 reference. Here I have written C5, so your data is copied in C5. You can see here. So this is a current region where a group of data is covered. But in case I want to make a copy of all the group of data from this set sheet, so how we can use the code? So in this scenario, if you want to make a copy of all the data in this sheet, then you have to use used range. Okay, so I'm going to write the code for used range. So what I have to write, I will have to write here sheet bracket start. I'm taking here sheet 9, sheet 9 dot used range dot copy. Then in which sheet you want to make a copy of this data? I want to make a copy of data in sheet 5 because uh, I want to take different sheet reference. So here no data is available in sheet 5, so I'm going to make a copy of all this data which is available in sheet 9. Okay, so here I have taken data anywhere. Okay, it's not mandatory you can take in a group. I'm taking data here, I'm taking data XYZ, here I am taking data ABC. All the data will be covered through the used range. Okay, so I'm going to write the code for used range. You can see here I have taken reference of seat 9 because my data is available in seat 9. After that I have taken reference of used range, then dot copy. So it will copied all the data. Then I'm going to paste into sheet 5. So I'm taking here sheet 5 reference, sheet 5 reference dot range. In which cell you want to paste? So I want to paste in C5. So I have taken reference of C5. Now I'm going to run this code through the F8 key. So now you can check. You can see here data is copied in C5. All the data will be copied through the use string. You can see here everything is copied. Okay, you can see I have written XYZ ABC in sheet 9. Same data is also copied. Okay, that's all about the current region and use streams. So, guys, I'm a trainer of data analytics, business intelligence, MIS. So, if you are looking career in these fields, you can come to me. I will give you excellent practical knowledge. You will get very good knowledge. So, come to me. I will give you proper training. Thank you so much.